everyone, I hope you're doing great. I'm Shalina and this is our first Movies Characters makeup tutorial, which is going to be Captain Jack Sparrow. I myself am so excited, so let's get to it. First of all, before using any kind of cosmetics or doing any makeup, do not forget to use a primer or some moisturizing lotion before, because you know it's kind of a protective for your skin. So I'm going to use this lotion. And then I'm gonna use Dermacool as a foundation. You know, they use it for some cinema and theater makeup, so it has a really high cover. So it's better to use this kind of foundation. I put it all over my face. The number of color that I'm using is 211, but it's quite white. And for being a pirate, we need to be more sunburned. So I'm gonna use another palette. It's Hunting. This color. I put it here. I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but it has some difference. It's still a little bit white. Look, I use this contour. It's not very brown, so it's useful for what we're doing here. You know, it's not very clear in the video, but it's a little bit sunburnt. See? Now we get to the most important part in this makeup, which is contouring. You know, this is the first time using this contour, so I might look a little bit amateur. As you can see, my face is a little bit round, but Jack Sparrow's face is long, so I have to contour in a way that you know, these parts and also this part should be contoured to look a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm using it when we do this. For refining your cheeks, you can, you know, smile a little bit like this. Then you can find it. See? Here. So when you do it, and it comes to here. Maybe you think it's weird, but it's not normal makeup, so till here. Then we fade it. We should contour a little bit of these places. I told you this part will go under the scarf, so it's not really important, but we're gonna do a little bit for here. For making it more natural, I'm gonna use the brown powder because I want to kind of hide the contouring and make it to look like more natural. Just put the color. These parts are a little bit pink. These parts under your eyes, and these parts we should put concealer. This color I'm using. It's not very white, but it's quite good. So I'll just put it like here. You know, in some videos they say you can paint a triangle under your eyes, but I don't suggest it. Just do it like this. white in Jack Sparrow's face. So I'm gonna use another concealer, but just for these parts, because only these parts are brighter. It's a little bit bright, so I'm gonna use a powder look up. Now it's not very shiny, see? Beside your nose should be really contoured. And you know, his shape of nose is kind of like this. I don't know if they call it a heart or whatever. So the way I'm contouring this is like this, and this part should be contoured either. So let's do it. We have to start contouring from our eyebrows. You know, sometimes we contour it from here, but this time for making it longer, we start from this part. So satisfied with the contouring, so I'm gonna work on it more. You can even use black eyeshadows for these parts. To work on the eyes. It's much easier because we just have to make it black, but be careful that you know, under your eye it should be more black than your eyelids. And because I have this concealer on my eyelids now, it's a little bit unnatural. You know, you can't see my crease line, so I have to use some colors like brown or maybe red, because it's a pirate, to make it look deeper. You know, our crease lines should look deeper. So I'm gonna use a brush like this and a little bit of this color and this color, a combination of these two. And I just put the color on my crease lines, just there. See? Exactly the way I'm doing it. Here. Just here. And you can blend it here. I prefer to use some concealer and then some light pink and maybe a little bit purple for this part of my lips. This is the door 207. It's nude, so I use it for these parts. Not a lot, just a little. Then I'm gonna use this color for this part. Let's cross here under his eye. So we're gonna do it with a red pencil. Okay, now we have to draw the beard and mustache. And be very careful because it's real vital. And using the black pencil is the best choice. Okay, let's get started. Beard and mustache that we have drawn, but you know, I prefer it to be pretty, so I have made this beard. You know, it's a little bit weird. When we stick them to our face, it's gonna be better. Trust me. And I have made them with yours, you see. Okay, so let's do it. Alright, okay, I decided to change my clothes sooner because it's really hard to change after sticking this beard. So this is it. We're done with the makeup, and as you can see, I made some handmade dreadlock. So we're going to be exactly like Jack Sparrow. Let's see. And this is the Jack Sparrow makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for spending your time on this video. Do not forget to share, like, and comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Love you all and have a nice day.
You may kill me, but you may never insult me. Who am I? Captain Jack Sparrow.